Good morning, children. Last class, we have seen the human beings and their needs, right? In that, we have seen the food. Today's class will see about our houses or a shelter. Our houses or a shelter, also, we will be calling it. Okay, house or a shelter, there will be two types of the houses. It will be like a permanent houses and a temporary houses. Permanent houses means we will build in one place and we will be living it. That form we will be calling it as a permanently we will be there only. Temporary houses means suppose if we go for a trip, we will make it means we will put a tent, everything right. Suppose if we go for some other places and all, there will be a ship's boats, means ship houses and all will be there, no, that we call it as a temporary houses. Means houses will protect. What is the use of the shelter and the houses or a shelter? It protects from the heat, cold, next rain, then from the wild animals, from the thieves, for everything. The houses will be protected us. Okay, it will protect very usefully. We'll see now. Okay, see, these are the types of the house. This we call it as a permanent houses. You can see the igloos. This igloos will see in the where the ice is with the form of a ices like Himachal Pradesh, everything, no? From there we can see it is made up of a ices where too much of the cold will be there they used to build a igloos. Next, wooden houses. Before and all, they used, means China's, they used to use the wooden houses. Means wood keeps it will keeps in the cold very warmly. Means it will keep cold in the summer. In the summer, wooden houses will keep cold, and in the winter warm. Okay, children. Next, then these igloos will found very rarely. In some region only we will see these igloos houses. Wooden houses, it will keep cold in summer and warm in the winter. Next, huts you can see in the villages. They has to be, they used to build with a mud wall and a slopes roof, everything they used to keep. The house will be very cold in summer. This type of houses we call it as these three types we'll call it as kacha houses. Okay, pakka houses means like a buildings, apartments or villas. This form we will be calling it as a pakka houses. Don't worry about the houses. You will, when you go to the higher classes, you will be learning the houses. But for what houses are useful, we'll see. Okay, next, temporary house means tent, caravan and houses boats. Okay, tents means they are used for the holiday camp. Suppose if we go out, we want to stay there, means it's like a nature parts. There we used to we will be using the out means tents. Then the soldiers who move from one place to another place, they used to put down tents. Next, houses on the wheel is called a caravan. Okay, caravan. Okay, this the houses we will be means they have the wheels, they used to move, like for in the shootings and all, the actors, if they have to ready up everything, they used to use this caravan. Okay, then they can be pulled by an animal or by a car or a truck also, it can be pulled. Then people move from one place to another and live in caravan. Okay, what I have said, this film industries persons and all, they used to keep that. In that we can cook everything, we can make it out. Next will come it as a houseboats. These houseboats will float on the river. It's like the lakes and all, they used to use this houseboats. Means this sizes will be very, it may be a small or it may be a big, it may be depends upon the its boat sizes. You can see these people use it for the vacation purpose. Suppose for the vacations we are going like outing purpose, these houseboats are useful. Have you got children now for what the houses are useful? Next we will see the cloths. Means cloth will protect from heat, cold, rain and the wind. Here we have some seasons: summer season, winter season and the rainy season. In this season, which and all clothes we used to wear? In the summer season, cotton clothes like a t-shirt, cap, skirt, then shorts, pants, everything we used to wear in the summer part. Then in the winter parts we will wear the woolen clothes. It keeps warm, like for example, like it's like a sweater, jackets, gloves and the shoes, everything, or a muffler we will be calling, that we will be using the winter season. So in the rainy season we use our umbrella and we will wear a raincoat. Then we'll go out if in the rain if you are needed. Have you got children now for what? Means for what is the needs for the human beings? What is the needs? Food. What in the food and the air also has been involved. Food and air, shelter and the clothes. These are the needs for the human beings. Thank you.